Are you ready to share your creativity with the world? Uploading YouTube Shorts from your PC is easier than you think. In this quick guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to get your videos online and start connecting with viewers. Whether you have a funny skit, a captivating tutorial, or a memorable moment to share, we will show you how to make it happen. Don't let your ideas stay hidden. Let's get your content out there and start building your audience today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC. The first step that you have to do right now is open your browser and dive into youtube.com. This is the homepage or if you have an application of YouTube, you can just click over it and you get started. So all I have to do right now is just sign up to find or to create an account. And if you already have an account, you have just to link it if it's your first time to join YouTube by using your email address, right? So firstly, you have just to click over here and we have your three options, which is upload video, go live, create post. I will show you how you can upload video in this video. So first you have to create a vertical video that's under 60 seconds. Sign in into YouTube and click the camera icon with a plus sign to upload your video. Select your file and ensure you add a catchy title, description, and relevant text, including hashtag shorts. Adjust the visibility settings to your preference, then click publish to share your content with the world. It's that easy to showcase your creativity and connect with new viewers. I will show you how you can do that. I will just click over create, I will click over upload video, and I'll find other page, which is this one, as you can see. So we have here the studio YouTube, as you can see. Firstly, I will select the files, but before here we have drag and drop video files to upload. Your videos will be private until you publish them. Then you have it by submitting your videos to YouTube, you acknowledge that you agree to YouTube's terms of services and community guidelines. So I will just read the terms of services and community guidelines. Then I will get started by selecting the files here. I will just scroll down here and I will select test, as you can see, and I will click over open. Once you do that, I will find the other page, which is this one. Here we have 4 steps that I have to follow, which is details, video elements, checks, visibility. Firstly, I will just add a test as a title. Sorry, for example, I will just write test. Then I will just add a hashtag shorts, as you can see. Then our description, you can just use ChatGPT to add a description here. For example, here we have the ChatGPT description of, and you write whatever you want, or you can just use your description and tell viewers about your video. Also, you can mention a channel if you want, and in the right we have here the video link. You can just copy it and you have to share it with friends or the people that you want. Then we have your thumbnail, as you can see. Set a thumbnail that stands out and draws viewers attention. Here you have upload file, auto generated, test and compare, as you can see. Then we have here also add your video to one or more playlists to organize your content for viewers. I will just select here and create a playlist if I want. I have new playlist and new podcast, as you can see. Then you will click over done. Right, then we have here the option of audience. In this video made for kids. Regardless of your location, you are legally required to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection ACT, and also our other laws. You are required to tell us whether your videos are made for kids, and you have just to define what content made for kids. If it's yes, it's made for kids, or if it is no, it's not made for kids. Then we have also here age restriction. For example, here you find here age restriction. You want to restrict your video to an adult audience. If you have just to click raise if you want restrict my video to viewers over than 18 or no. Then we have here also paid promotion. If you want to sell my video contains paid promotion like a product placement, sponsorship or endorsement. Then we have here altered content. Do any of the following describe your content if it's yes or no. Then we have also here automatic chapters. You can just select allow automatic chapters and key moments if you want. Featured places help viewers explore key places in your video. These are public places like restaurants and shops. Just to click over allow automatic places. Now about here we have automatic concepts. Help viewers learn more about in familiar terms without leaving the video. Concepts mentioned in your video may automatically appear in the description. You can just click over allow automatic if you want. About tags, you can just edit tags if you want. Language and captions certificated. I will select the language first. Just scroll down and we'll find here English. And then we have also here the caption certification, as you can see. Then we have here recording date and location. So I will just select here the date that I want to publish it, then the video location, and we have also here learn about license types. For example, we have license type standard, YouTube license, allow embedded or publish to subscriptions, feed and notify subscribers. Then we have shorts remixes. Then we have here let other to create shorts using content from this video. And we have allow video and audio remixing, allow only audio remixing. Then we have here don't allow remixing. I will just select the first one. And you have a category, add your video to category so viewers can find it more easily. Visit music, how to install, gaming, film and animation, entertainment, education, comedy, auto vehicles. Then we have science and technology, sports, travel, events. Alright. And then also we have here comments and rating if you want on or off. And also here we have sort by newest or top. Then we have here show how many viewers like this video if you want or not. Then you click over next and you'll find here video elements. Use cards and any end screen to show viewers related videos, websites and calls to action. Then we have here add subtitles if you want. You have just to click over add. If you want to add cards, you click over add. Then you click over next and you'll find here checks. We'll check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix issues before publishing your video. You have your copyright and you click over next. Then about visibility, you can just make it private and list it public as well. And here we have the schedule to make it public. You have just to select the day that you think it's better for you and also the time. And then if you want to set as premiere or not, then we have before we publish check the following. Here we have do kids appear in this video, looking for overall content guidance. Then you click over scheduled, and we have the last one, which is visibility. And here we have it. Right now you create your short video, as you can see. So this is how you can create your short video, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.